Right, let's do question 7a. For a set of data, will the data be skewed to the right or to the left if the median is significantly greater than the mean? Right, you have to know that if the median is greater than the mean, then the data is what? If the median is greater than the mean, then the data is negatively skewed. But if the median is less than the mean, then it means the data is positively skewed. Okay, let me just show you using these diagrams. Right, we have this diagram, the first one here. So if we check here, the median is less than the mean. So the data is what? Is positively skewed if the median is what? Is less than the mean. But if the median is greater than the mean, okay, if the median is greater than the mean, the data is negatively skewed or skewed to the left. Okay, so here we say that the median is greater than the mean, so it means the data is skewed to the left. Okay, or negatively skewed. Negatively skewed. Okay, that's the answer there. How do you see that? Sometimes I check that this, where is the tail? Okay, where is the tail? This is the tail here. The tail is on the left side of the distribution, right? And then here, this one is, the tail is this side, which is the right side of the distribution. So we say this is positively skewed or skewed to the right. Okay, let me just explain again on this thing. Right, we're saying here, this is what? How is this data distributed? The skewness of the data here, this will be negatively skewed. Negatively skewed. You see that? So when it's negatively skewed, there's more data on the what? On the right side of the distribution. There's more data on the right side of the distribution. Okay, and then with fewer lower values on the left. Right, let me give you a situation. Let's say just analyzing the test results or the examination results. And then I find that most of the learners got above 50%. Most of the learners got above 50%. And then we have few learners that have very low marks, like what? Like got 10% and all those things. So the data is going to be what? It's going to be negatively skewed. We have more data which is higher than what? 50%, isn't it? And then less data which is what? Which is less than 50%, right? Like 10%. So the mean is actually affected by the outliers. Okay, most of the marks will be above 50%, and then these few marks, which are very low, will drag the mean towards themselves. You see that? So this will be negatively skewed. You can even represent this using what? Using the box and whisker. Okay, the box and whisker is going to look like this if the data is negatively skewed. If the data is negatively skewed. Okay, so the median will be here. This is Q2, the median, and then the mean is going to be, this is the mean. The mean is less than the median when it's negatively skewed, or you can say the median is greater than the mean when it's negatively skewed. Okay, and then when it is positively skewed, most of the data is on the left side, of the distribution. Like for example, let's use the example of the marks. We find that when we're analyzing the results, we find that most learners are below maybe 50%, and very few learners maybe who got distinctions. You see that? So now we'll have what? positively skewed data when it's like that. Okay, most learners will be less than 50, and then these few learners that got distinctions, okay, these marks which are very high but very few will affect the mean, will drag the mean towards themselves. So when it's positively skewed like this, the median is smaller than the mean, or we can say the mean is greater than the median. Okay, that is positively skewed or skewed to the right. So this would be the median Q2 here, and then the mean is going to be higher than the median. See that when it's positively skewed. Okay, right. I think this will assist you to understand the skewness of data. We'll meet when we do question 7b.